Hey everyone, Becky from Week 99er here. So we're going to look at something a little different than what we usually do. Over the past few weeks we've been looking at a lot of toys because of the toy shows that I went to, but at the same time I've actually been going to tech conferences as well. So we're going to start looking at some fun tech products that you're going to want for the holiday season or to, make your own computer build, which we're going to be working on here very shortly, as well as kind of upgrade what you're working with when you're already working at home. So the first line of products we're going to work with today are actually brand new releases from Roccat. They have sent us their brand new Vulcan mechanical keyboard. That's right here. We also have their ELO 7.1 USB gaming headset. There's the back of the box, here's the front. And then we also have their ELO Time Stereo, and this is another gaming one, but this one has RGB already integrated. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to unbox these today. These are actually going to be used on a build that we're going to be working on today as well. That video will be going live after this one. But they also sent us, let me get this, I already opened it because I was playing with it, their cane mouse as well. So since that one's already open, we're going to start with that one. Now the cane mouse, it is a gaming mouse. Let me see what we have here. It is only 89 grams and it has 16,000 DPI owl eye sensor. So it makes for fast gaming. It does light up. I have to actually hook it up to the new PC and I will show you what it will look like lit up. It is a very smooth finish. It does have the gaming right and left keys and it has everything you need in the scroll wheel and you can increase your DPI. So just out of the box, I'm already looking forward to using this. It should be a nice addition to the machine we're building. Now the machine we're building, we will not have a lot of RGB in because the desktop is going to sit down on the floor, so it doesn't make sense to light up the floor. However, this and this keyboard will be lighting up the space for us. So let's talk about this keyboard a little bit. And I have to get my slicer. There we go. So I'm going to put the headsets over here to start. Now those we're going to be testing out as well. They are for gaming, but I do believe, it has USB and it has cords and all of that, but primarily for me, they're going to be used for either taking Zoom calls, which we have several a week, or editing these videos. That is kind of key, making sure that we have good quality headphones. The wireless earbuds that I've been using while doing that, they work. However, the connection is sometimes a little off. So I'm looking forward to actually having quality here, quality sound while I'm editing, so I know what I'm actually working with. But let's open this up. Let's see if I actually need to slice into anything like I did with the mouse. I don't. Oh, there they are. Okay. So this one is a mechanical keyboard. Now, in general, I don't really think I've used a mechanical keyboard in years. This, to me, is a whole new world. And it does come with a wrist guard. So one thing you may notice, I'm not sure how much you can actually see, the majority of the furniture here in the office is white. However, in the build we're doing will mostly be white to keep with the aesthetics of the office. But there are some things that we can't get in white, including the monitor bevel. We could, but I wasn't willing to pay for that, as well as things like the monitor arm. And so there's going to be some black elements in here, so I'm not really concerned that this, as well as the keyboard, are black base. But I like that this already has this because I know when I hold my hands typing, I do need something to lean them on. Better for ergonomics, better for your wrists. So that is already included is fantastic. These do have red Titan switches. So opening this up, this is heavy, but it is going to be living right here. It's not going to be moving around with me like my laptop does everywhere. Again, it does have this corded, it does have the corded line, and for the USB, it is a standard USB. Let me see. And it is the red switches. They are the Titan Reds. They are offset. Now, There are some things that I automatically love about this, and one thing I do not get with the flexibility on my laptop is having a 10 key. I used to work at a phone service and was used to take phone calls every minute, whatever it was required, and have to type phone numbers really, really fast and type numbers fast, and I miss having that accessibility of this 10 key. But listen, you can hear these. So each of these keys, and I'm going to have to do a nice close-up, is all of them are kind of concave and perfect for your fingers. So we are going to be putting this to use right on this build that we're doing here very, very shortly. And we're going to show it all lit up. We do have a volume dial over here, and it does have everything we need, and we're going to be able to program the RGB that we want on this keyboard. Now, the price point on this, I believe, was $200. I could be wrong with that. If I am, I'm going to put that right up here above. And if you're looking for a pre-built mechanical keyboard, I know there is a huge trend of people building their own. This might be the way to go. It's got nice firm keys. So it'll be a nice addition to this machine and everything that we're setting up. So let's move on to these headsets. Let's open these up and check these out. And like I said, the B-roll with these and lit up will be once this PC is built. Little PC parts all over my office right now. Not that you can see them. So we're going to go with a regular ELO, and this is the one with the RGB gaming headset. It does have a detachable mic if you do not want that. You can have the rotating hinges, and it has the nice cupping ear cups, so you can easily keep them on comfortably for hours. Now, my only concern, some of those cups are a little, make it a little warm while you're wearing headsets like this for a long time. So we're gonna see how this works. Now I am gonna I'm taking off all of these little plastic things now. And this is the one that's gonna live here in the office. Now, this microphone is nice and little, and it does have the mic jack right in there. So it makes it nice and easy to plug right in whenever you need. It does have, the cord is still not, there we go. Again, we do have this braided cord. It does have a nice padding here to make these nice and comfortable, and these big foam earpieces. Now, these ear cups, they are pretty set, so they're not ones that you could probably trade out very well. The inside here, I'll be taking better shots of too. They actually have it marked right and left, but on the back, you can actually change your volume and everything right here and control what you're hearing just by rolling it up or down. So that is pretty cool. Nice and easy. You can see on the front there is the mic hole. You can put your mic in. Maybe. I don't know if I could do it with them on. You probably can with some practice. But you can easily have your gaming headset just like that. So it does cut out a lot of sound just putting them on. It has 7.1 surround sound, and let's see, it is extremely comfortable. Now, it will mess up my hair, but no matter what, this is metal. I can tell just by pushing that. And let's see, is there anything else I'm missing on this? I think this is it. Now, obviously, you know, the logos will light up while you're using them and while it's plugged in. The cord here, we'll plug it into anything that takes a standard USB. I believe it's USB 2. Let's see. That's USB A. So it'll work with anything that takes USB A. So let's check out the difference between this one and the other side they sent us. Put these over here. And all right, so here are the regular Roccats. This is an ELO stereo, and this is their gaming one. It looks similar to this one. And don't think the mic is detachable, but we're gonna find out. It does work on Xbox and Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Macs, and PC. This one will too, whatever will take that USB-A connection. So that is not really a deciding factor for us. It is, both of them actually have a mark right on here. They are for prospect glasses too, that you can wear them with your glasses without a problem, which is actually a huge thing for a lot of us that wear glasses the majority of the time. We don't have to worry about that. So these are the Elos gaming ones. Oh, the mic is detachable. It comes right in the package, fully detached already. Let me see if there's really any difference between these two, other than the fact that they both say Elo on the side. They look virtually the same. The only difference between these two is this one does have the RGB included. So this one will light up, this one won't. So there are the options for that. Whatever your gaming preference is, if you don't want to, have a huge amount of attention drawn to you, if you're in a public setting, this might be the set for you. So it has all of the other things, all of the same features. Has the sound on the side. This one has more sound options than this one does as well. And both of them do have, just verifying, both of them do have the mic mute right there at the bottom as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook these up with the new PC setup and then show you the difference of what they look like when they're in use, as well as, do a little practical testing with those and let you know how they actually work. So I will come back with that shortly, and as always, links for everything are down below. I will see you guys soon. Bye.